Tellison Versatile Wrap. Now this thing is great for if you've got an action camera, or it comes with a screw thread mount as well. So if you've got something that has a screw thread mount on the bottom, then that's perfect. Perfect for wrapping around handlebars, poles, anything like that. If you want to set up and get your shot if you're like on the go. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to wrap it around whatever you want to put it on, and you just loop it over the top here. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty and dusty from being used. And then obviously you've got your mount here as well. And like I said, it comes with the screw thread, so that can jump on there too if you have whatever you're attaching to the top there. It's got 2 holes in it as well, which is good. So if you need it to be tighter, if you've got if you're wrapping it around like a thinner pole or something like that, then you can tighten it up and wrap it really tight like that there. It's not going to come off. Really good thing about this is that this swivels around as well, but it's not like too loose, so it's not going to swivel around on its own, which is super helpful. So if you just need to change the angle of your camera and that kind of thing, then this is perfect. Honestly, this is such a cool, great little device. Keep it in your camera gear, keep it with all your camera gear, and it will be super handy. So highly recommend it. Go and get yourself one.